What is up, guys? Today we're back with another video. And today we'll be playing Boot Up the Wars. Now today, this game I haven't showed on my channel yet, so I'm pretty sure it will be lit. Let's get right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna be Jack. Yeah, we're just gonna be doing everything. I mean, we can do the story mode, but you feel me? I kind of don't want to do the story mode, so we not gonna do the story mode. Okay. So I'm gonna hop in this car and basically do whatever we can. Yeah, you're dead. Really? I ain't get him. Really? How? Bro, my driving is trash. Wait. I wanna try to get that what's the name? Right there. Oh shoot. I thought I could break that. Oh, I thought that why he driving so crazy? I thought he dropped in money. Hey, I already got 400, so oh my lord. Oh. Yo, relax. Dude, this is not Fast and Furious. Bro, what is they doing? Bro, they don't know how to drive. What is they doing? Wait, it's an airport? Hold up, let me get out should I get out of my car? Wait, is that a bike? Do they have bikes in this game? Whoa, I see it. Okay, it's a Lambo. Okay, I need to get in my car fast because it do look like some mad ass hell. I'm not trying to get that shit. Oh, yo, that shot was that was cool. Really? Come on now, why you gotta do me like that? Oh! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Yo, what the heck is this? What the heck is? Oh, my car's glitched. I'm finna slap the fuck out of you, you stupid ass clowns. Don't ever do the Michael Jackson dance. Who is that supposed to be, nigga? I don't wanna know who the fuck is that. So I don't got a gun? Wow, I don't got a gun. But I do got this, though. You fucking... I will throw this. What the... Oh, no. Am I dead? What am I doing? I'm in the... How did I fall all the way to the water, bro? Why does it say I have over 1 million hands? That shows you how dumb this game is. I'm just playing this game. It's alright. Bro, what is that truck doing? This game card? It's like we on something online, bro. Because do you see how they driving, bro? I need to get a car. Whoa, bro. Yeah, we finna drive this, bro. We finna drive this, bro. This look like a toy truck car, bro. Could I? Damn. I would have been out the way. Fuck you. Oh, I just ran through a police officer. Oh, fuck. Bitch, move. Bro, move. What the fuck? What is he doing? What are he doing? What the heck? Wow. What? If I ever saw that thing, bro, I would have been. Take this money. You know what I'm saying? He's a police officer, so you know he got some money. Man, you only have some like 30 bucks, bro. Come on now. You know what? I'm finna pop you for this car. Come back here. Come back here. Look at him. He won't even know it. That nigga won't. Just big ball head ass. I will fucking hit you, bitch. Bitch. Whoa, what? You. That nigga need to be arrested because he just fucking hit both of us, nigga. I don't know what the fuck you want, bro. If I had a car, I would have been chased that nigga. Cause that nigga on some street. He not even on some regular shit. That nigga on some street shit. Where that other car go that I had, bro? So we drive the Bart Simpson's band? Bro, what the... What? Okay, bro. What the fuck is this game on? Fuck out my way. Bro, why is everybody in the... Bro! Get out the way. It's like they want to be dead, bro. Oh, what's the police? I think he's coming after me, but he don't have a car, so stupid. Oh, bro, this is a good truck for a Bart Simpson's loud house. You feel me? What the? Oh, I didn't even know it was somebody. What? No. Oh, we running this. Oh, yeah. I'm finna hit somebody, bro. I can't lie, bro. Like this dude right here. Oh! Yo! Should I put stunt mode on? Oh. Oh no. Don't come over here. That's the number one place we shouldn't be. I need a bike, bro. Cause this shit's kinda slow as fuck, bro. Oh, bro, it's still rolling. Bro, if I ever saw something like this in my life, bro, I would have been gone, bro. Bro, I just hit the car I was in. No, go. I would not want to fight this car, bro. I saw a car like this in real life, bro. When I saw that shit, I was going crazy. Yo! Let me put that stunt mode on. Oh my lord, bro, we still going. Hey, I'm finna, bitch, get out of my fucking way. You trying to mess up my stunt? Oh! Yo, we jumped. We was on the building, bro. That's tough. We was on the building. Bro, why I keep seeing these wall? What? He just takes his nuts. What the hell? My guy just went. Okay, bro. What is this game? Should I go to the gym? Dude, gym. So it's no girls in this game, bro. So we finna just see all men, bro. Cause you know we gotta get the ladies. Ain't GTA without the ladies. You feel? Imagine just seeing this out your window, bro. You would have been. I would have been excited as hell, bro. I'm trying to get up this mountain, bro. Get up there. I'm going slow as hell, bro. I'm finna go run this car over. Come back here. Come back here, bitch. Bro, nothing will stop this, bro. What the fuck? How he not able to? Bro, really, bro? How is he not able to? How am I not able to knock that shit down, bro? Wait, I'm getting shot. Oh! Go to the bo. Fuck. Bro. Go. No, don't go all the way back. Bro, this nigga big ass. Bro, what the? Bro, why I always get stuck right here, bro? Every time when I play this game, I get stuck. Bro, I'm dead. Yeah, I'm dead. Yeah. I need help. I got a 2-star. Should I throw my bat at him? Should I throw this shit at him? Yo! That was like an action-packed movie. I'm finna pick your body up. Where he at? What the fuck? Where is he? Bro, where did he go? Bro, where did he go, bro? I just picked up his body. Where these niggas' body be going, nigga? Bro, oh, can I dunk on? I'm pretty Wait. Bitch? Alright. Oh, I just spent some money on. I don't want to play Get Rid of the Police. Fuck up. I need to get a gun, bro. We gotta get to the gun shop, bro. It's a car store up there ahead, so. Or I get this car right here. You feel me? That nigga's still going after me, bro. Go home, bro. What are you doing with your life? Just go home. You not finna get me, bro. I'm sorry, bro. That looked like a zombie for a second. I can't lie, bro. And we gonna have to check out zombie mode too, bro. Oh, do not put your car in there. Okay, so what I'm finna about should we get this Sharingan Desert Sniper? Alright, so we finna try for free, you know what I'm saying? I'll see you guys in a little bit. Okay, y'all, so I got the dessert shotgun, bro. So these niggas wanna pop out. They better pop out now, you feel me? So we finna test out this gun. Okay, where is everybody? I should put my gun away. Wait. Is there, bro, where the fuck? There's just some niggas out here, bro. I just saw some niggas. You finna get in this van, you feel me? Oh, it's somebody right here. Yo, happy Death Day. How you not hear that? Damn. I got a headshot? What the fuck? Can I shoot the helicopter? Can I shoot the helicopter down? Wait, is that going down? Bro, why do I have a feeling like that's finna go down? Bro, that's finna go down. The first guy that we shot, that dude was stupid because I missed the first time. Like, you should have been knew to get the hell out, bro. So we finna pop right here, you feel me? Damn. Pop. Bro, that's that one shot. That's that one shotty. How the fuck I miss? Damn. What? Okay. Okay, I'll shoot your ass. How the fuck did I just miss? Nigga, who the fuck is you? The fuck? Why y'all in my face? Did I just hit somebody? Bro, my arm is hurting. I can't shoot him anymore. Oh, what? Fuck you, bitch. Nigga. Fuck your tablet. Fuck your whole life with your ugly ass. Look like somebody put a raspberry on your fucking chin. Okay, so... Okay, guys, you have made it to the end of the video. Right now, I'm just getting me some beer, you know what I'm saying? Get my thing on. And, no further ado. Peace. Bye. Bye. My goat.